We'll guide you through how to edit text using ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're there, log into your account if you're not already signed in. In the chat interface, you'll see a text input box at the bottom of the screen where you can type your text. If you want to edit a specific piece of text, you can copy it and paste it into this input box. Next, clearly state what kind of edits you want ChatGPT to make. For example, you can type, "Please correct the grammar of this text," or "Can you improve the style and make it more formal?" Hit enter and ChatGPT will process your request and provide you with an edited version of your text. If you're not satisfied with the initial edit, you can ask ChatGPT to try again by typing further instructions or specifying any additional changes you'd like. For example, you might say, "Make it shorter," or "Add more detail about a specific point." Remember, you can interact with ChatGPT as if you're having a conversation, so feel free to be as specific as possible about what you need. This will help ensure the edits meet your expectations. Once you're happy with the output, you can copy the edited text from the chat and use it as needed. ChatGPT is a powerful tool for text editing, but it's always a good idea to give the final output a quick review to ensure it meets your standards. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.